In 1868 in Washington, Christopher Latham Sholes received a U.S. patent for the first practical typewriter. Earlier in Milwaukee, he and his partners built a crude prototype using levers, ink, and paper. By 1867, they had a working model that impressed local businessmen. Once patented, the design caught the attention of Remington, who manufactured and sold the first commercial machines. Offices across America began using them, marking a new era in communication. Sholes, who invented the QWERTY layout, never made a fortune, but his legacy is still typed every day.